We have Toyota technology and German technology, and for Toyota we have Toyota Care Service. That is the main that we have to consider. If you want to buy a car, consider Toyota Care Service. That's why also always I challenge you to do some certain research or inquiry before you step into buying a car, and I will never stop saying this, because Toyota have something called Toyota Care Service, and Benz have their own German technology. So Benz say we have built it and we have manufactured it, so maintain it. If you don't maintain it well and get spoiled, that is your own cup of tea. But for Toyota, whether you maintain it regularly or maintain it not regularly, still you can use your car. Maybe it can have some certain challenges or certain fault, but Toyota can never let you down, can't leave you on the road, unless you are a pretend car user that you don't mind anything at all. But for Benz, it is required for you to do some certain things at the right time. Other than that, this car will shut down, and that is Benz technology for you. So it is more difficult to use Benz than to use Toyota. Why? Because Toyota is very simple car, and for Japan technology, they don't build Toyota for only Japan territory. They know that this car can go worldwide, so they consider into certain areas, certain locations, certain part of the world, and figure out that this car, we have to build it in that way. It's a universal, so that anybody can use it at any location. But Benz is not work like that. That is why most of people use Benz, and they are facing challenges. And it is true, because some certain areas or some certain locations, if you use the car, automatically that car will always develop a fault, and failing to maintain it will also cause another mess. But Toyota, you can use it on off-road, you can use it in a village, any part of the world. Whether rain or shine, you can use Toyota. Even some Benz, if you wash the engine or wash the body, this car key will automatically lock. The steer will lock, and it will be very difficult for you to unlock it, because for these modern cars, we don't use water to wash the engine or body. We use stem. We have a technology called stem, which is like a liquid, but it can wash the engine and clean it more than water. And this is the new technology that they are using in the system to wash engine. So it's not any car that you can go to wash normal washing bay, then they will just use the machine to wash the engine. Then later you may face a lot of problems. So Benz is one of these cars. Never try to wash engine or wash the body anyhow, unless you get an expert to do so. So Toyota, for me, Toyota is more reliable car to use than Benz. For Benz, if you know that you can spend on it, you can spend a lot on it to maintain it, you can go for it, but don't go for it for a fancy. It's a flashy car though. Most of their cars too advanced. They have machines that require to standard use, but some of these cars are not car that you may just wake up and go and buy it just like that. You have to consider these two cars, which one will suitable for you, depending on the work and the business that you want to use it for. I know these kind of guys nowadays, they use this car to just for a fancy, for a life, and for that one there's no comment, because you can weigh your pocket before you can do something. But don't cry when it comes to maintenance. For that one, there is money. You have to pull it out. And that is why I am encouraging everybody, advising everybody that for that particular car, if you are not ready to maintain it, service it, use it, handle it, please don't venture into it. Don't go for Benz. Don't go for Benz, because it's a full German technology. And if something spoils, change it and make sure you buy quality one. No fake parts, no, consideration. Toyota is a car that they use for general occasions. It's a general occasions. A generation to come, a generation comes. Still, Toyota will reign in the system, because it's a car that it's not difficult to maintain, it's not difficult to handle it, it's not difficult to service it, and some of these car spare parts are very available. It's average. The price is average that you can purchase. That is one good about Toyota car. So we are in the Toyota industry. We born into Toyota. We live in the Toyota. We grow in the Toyota, and we are still in the Toyota. So we know what we are talking about. Don't go and buy a car that will ruin your money. When it's spoiled, you have to look for a mechanic to maintain it for you. For Toyota, advanced mechanic can work on it. Unlike Benz, unlike this BMW and VW, you have to get a specialist. And you can work on it, but is it everything you can do on the car? Even a manufacturer doesn't do anything on the car. A manufacturer can work on the body and the engine and all the parts. Another manufacturer will supply it. That is one thing about car. So it's not everything on the car that you can do it. There is an expert that handles every part of the car, and that is it. If you are do it yourself technical person, then you are good to go. But modern days, a lot of things are changing in the auto industry. People are learning a lot. We are learning a lot to figure out everything, and this will require us to work on this advanced car that is coming. So that is it. Subscribe to Eric Auto Center, hit the notification bell, and stay updated. Make sure you share my videos to go viral. Share to a friend to share to a friend. Like the video so that YouTube will recommend my videos, so that I can get more viewers and subscribers. Let's build this channel for future use to help the car users. That's my vision and my priority, so that anybody can know how to handle a car, which car is better to use, which car is a wet money car. So a lot of people are suffering because they don't do any research and not better assistant to assist them to buy a car of their choice. They just go out and just throw their money away. They are hard time earning. You know what is it to make money? Just throwing your money away is one thing that is not good at all. So in these modern days, Eric Auto Center is here to guide you, that pursue your car dream and also drive confidently and unique as well. This is what we do all this while. In case I didn't mention anything in this video, please do so to put in the comment section so that we can all deliberate on it, because I take my audience feedback very seriously and I don't joke with it at all. This is why we are here, your nation's mechanic, and we know that we are pursuing forward this year. Thanks for subscribers. Those who watch my video and haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, because more good things are coming on this platform. This year we are going to hit video after hit back. We are going to hit until we complete the whole year, and our target is to hit 300 videos and over this particular year. So make sure you help us to reach this milestone as well. Please, what video will you want us to do? What is the problem going on in your car? What challenges are you facing on your car? Which car you want to buy this year? We want to know that we can help you and give you more insight about it. A technology from German is different from technology from Japan. So we compare these two cars together and weigh them. And I can tell you, Toyota is the best for everyone to use it. And it is very easier to repair than Mercedes Benz. For German machines, no libi, no laba. If you have money, go and buy it. Make sure you spend a lot of money to maintain it. But Toyota, go for it in a high price. You spend less to maintain it. That is it, the truth. It is what it is. We can't hide anything on this platform. Stay updated. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.